A. The letter A is great. A. Let's celebrate opening a world of wonders today. The letter A is here. Let's learn and play. Under the water, what do we see? It's alligator smiling at me. A long big tail and teeth so bright, saying hello, what a funny sight. A is for alligator, big and strong. It's no faker. Look on the ground, who's marching here? It's ants so tiny, have no fear. Carrying leaves, working all day. Ant says hi, let's learn and play. A is for ant, tiny and tough, it's elegant. In the mountains, standing tall, alpaca waves to one and all. Fluffy and soft, what a friendly face. Alpaca loves this happy place. A is for alpaca, soft and fluffy, it's spectacular. A is for alligator, big and strong, it's no faker. A is for ant, tiny and tough, it's elegant. A is for alpaca, soft and fluffy, it's spectacular. A, what a fun little rhyme. It's learning time. Remember A, sing it loud and clear. Let's learn more letters, my little dear. It's learning time. Remember A, sing it loud and clear. Let's learn more letters, my little dear.
B, the letter B is very good. B, let's talk. B is for big and bold, so many things to see and hold. Come sing with me, let's explore the letter B and so much more. B is for bear, big and strong, walking through the woods all day long. B is for bird, flying so high, flapping its wings up in the sky. B is for ball, bouncing so fast, roll it to me, make the fun last. B is for bike, ride and play, pedal all the way. B is for boat, sailing the sea, waves are splashing wild and free. B is for banana, yellow and sweet, a yummy snack that's hard to beat. B is for big and bold, so many things to see and hold. Come sing with me, let's explore the letter B and so much more. B is for bus, honking beep beep, driving down the busy street. B is for bee, buzzing around, making honey without a sound. B is for balloon, floating so high, bright and colorful in the sky. B is for bridge, strong and wide, cars and people crossing side by side. B is for butterfly, wings so bright, fluttering softly in the sunlight. B is for bag, carry your things, books, toys, anything it brings. B is for bulldozer, pushing the ground, building cities all around. B is for bell, ding ding dong, ringing so clear, let's sing along. B is for the best, a letter so cool, it's everywhere in the park and at school. From animals to objects near and far, the letter B is a superstar. B is for big learning letters every time. Come along, let's sing today. Meet the animals on our way. Song C's for cat, C, C, a cat, C, C, a cat. The cat says meow, it's soft and sweet. It's curling up by your cozy feet. With whiskers long and fur so fine, a friendly cat is just divine. C is the letter, come and see. It starts so many things for you and me. From animals to things we use. Let's sing and learn, no time to lose. C's for camel, C's a camel, C's a camel. The camel walks through the desert sand. With humps so high, it's grand and grand. It carries loads and never tires. A camel is a friend that inspires. C's for crab, C's a crab, C's a crab. The crab crawls sideways on the shore. It clicks its claws, click, click once more. With its shell so strong and pincers tight, a little crab is a funny sight. C's for cow, C's a cow, C's a cow. The cow goes moo in the meadow wide. It gives us milk and stands with pride. With big brown eyes and a gentle sway, the happy cow brightens our day. C's for cheetah, C's a cheetah, C's a cheetah. The cheetah runs, it's super fast. In a race, it will never be last. With spots so neat and a tail so long, the speedy cheetah is brave and strong. C's for chimpanzee, C chimpanzee, C chimpanzee. The chimpanzee swings from tree to tree. It laughs and plays so happily, with clever tricks and a cheerful grin. A playful chimp is a jungle win. C's for chair, C's for chair, C's a chair. Here's a chair, take a comfy seat. Rest your feet and feel complete. A place to sit when you're feeling slow. The chair helps you to take it slow. C's for clock, C's a clock, C's a clock. He clock goes tick and it goes tock. It tells the time around the block. Morning, noon, and evening too. The clock keeps time for me and you. C's for car, C's a car, C's a car. The car goes vroom, it speeds away. It takes us places every day. Through the streets and on the road, the car can carry a heavy load. C is the letter, come and see. It starts so many things for you and me. From animals to things we use. Let's sing and learn, no time to lose. Oh, the letter C is fun and bright. It fills our day with pure delight. D, it's so fun, let's spell their names one by one. Clap your hands and sing with me. Animals that start with D. D-O-G, D-O-G, doggy wags its tail with glee. Barking loud, woof woof, it plays, jumping high in happy ways. D-U-C-K, a quacking duck is here today. Waddle, waddle, splash in the pond, swim and sing all day long. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, the dolphin splash makes a big grin, flipping, jumping in the sea. It's so smart and wild, whee! D-O-N-K-E-Y, the donkey says hee-haw so high, carrying bags up the hill, a loyal friend steady still. soft and slow. DRAGONFLY, dragonfly zips through the sky, colorful wings that shimmer bright, buzzing softly day and night. DAMSELFISH, a damselfish swirls and swish, in the reef it darts around, colors bright where it is found. DORMOUSE, the dormouse naps so happily, in its burrow snug and warm, dreaming through a quiet storm. DUGONG, dugong floats in the deep blue sea, munching grass so calm and slow, a gentle giant you should know. Up in the big blue sky, there's a bird that loves to fly. EAGLE, EAGLE, eagle is its name, you see. Big and strong with a trunk so long, elephants stomp all day long. ELEPHANT, ELEPHANT, elephant is its name, you see. Swimming deep under the sea, the slippery eel is quick and free. EEL, EEL, eel is its name, you see. In Australia, it runs so fast, the emu's fun, it's such a blast. EMU, EMU, emu is its name, you see. When winter comes, it turns to white, the ermine's fur is such a sight. ERMINE, ERMINE, ermine is its name, you see. E is for eagle flying high, E is for elephant, oh my. E is for eel, slippery and free, E is for emu, running with glee. E is for ermine, coat so white, these animals start with E, that's right. Now we know from A to Z, E is the letter for animals, you see. Sing it loud and sing it proud, learning letters makes us wow. FOX, 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 it's a fox with a fluffy tail and a clever mind. Fox runs fast, it's hard to find. FROG, 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 jump with me. It hops so high and croaks all day. Frogs love ponds, splash away. FALCON, falcon flies up in the sky. Super fast, super high. Falcon soars, watch it fly. FISH, fish swims round and round. In the river, in the sea. Splash, splash, swim with me. FERRET, ferret runs and hides from me. It sneaks around and plays all day. Ferrets love to jump and chase. FLAMINGO, flamingos stand in the water low. Pink and tall with legs so long. Dancing round, let's sing along. Y. Fireflies glow up in the night. Blink, blink, shining bright. Fireflies make the sky so light. F is for fox, frog, falcon, too. Fish and ferret, what a crew. Firefly glows, flamingo sways. Let's spell and sing all day. F is fun, F is cool. Now you know you spell so well. Sing again, one more time. Spell with me, it's learning time.